The invention consists of a set of thermal chips which are placed at the central burner area. These chips then produce electric power, which is then routed to a charge controller that is used to charge a rechargeable battery. The battery powers the control circuitry of the furnace and DC fan blower motor in the event of a power failure. Finally, a controller would be provided that would ensure the proper crossover between commercial AC power and the electrical-powered backup apparatus. When AC power returns, the controller would switch back for a more efficient operation. Due to the electric-producing power capability of the thermal chips, it is envisioned that the invention could operate continuously for days on end without the use of AC power.